everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Udita and you are watching Udita's Classroom. In this video, I am going to share with you the technique by using which you can apply for this particular job. What is the job? This job is only for the apprenticeship training program for 2019-20 and this recruitment has been announced from the railway sector, but the company name is RITES Limited, a Government of India enterprise scheduled a mini Ratan Central Public Sector undertaking under the Ministry of Railway. So guys, what is the job, who can apply, who are applicable in this particular job, and what is the exact stipend amount? If you know this in details, then see this video till the end. And if you like my videos, fond of my videos, then please click the like button. And if you are a newcomer in my channel, so guys, please subscribe my channel, click the subscription blocks and also click the bell icon just besides the subscription box. Because when I will put any type of videos related to tips and tricks of cracking the exam and engineering tutorial as well as the government job notification, you will then notified at that moment. And if you like my videos, then like, share and subscribe my channel. So guys, keep watching this video till the end. So let's get started. So guys, RITES Limited, a trust partner in business across the global, plot number 1, sector 29, Gurgaon 122001. From this office and the sector of railway, Ministry of Railway has just published a notification for the apprenticeship training of 2019-20 batch, and where the B.Tech as well as the diploma candidate are always welcome. But one thing is that you must have to complete your degree, but pursuing candidate cannot be applicable for this job. So what is the job? First of all, RITES Limited is invited the application for apprenticeship training program for the year 2019-20. The application are invited from the candidates having the following qualification, and I will give the screenshot of all the information in details. Please check this video. First of all, if you have completed your B.Tech degree in civil, mechanical, electrical, ECE, then you can apply for the post of graduate apprenticeship, that is where there is some vacancies are indifferent in the different location, like as RITES ROC2 Gurgaon, where the civil engineering post is for 3, Bhubaneswar 5, as well as mechanical Bhubaneswar 1, and RITES Western Region, that is inspection of Mumbai, where the post is 1. Now, if BE or B.Tech from electrical background and where the posts are 2 in both Bhubaneswar as well as the Mumbai. Next come to BE or B.Tech in ECE, where the post is 2 and this is only for the Bhubaneswar region. Now, if you are diploma holder in civil, electrical, mechanical, chemical, not ECE, here not ECE, ECE diploma is not applicable, only for the diploma apprenticeship, and where like here Bhubaneswar post is 2 for civil, for electrical diploma Bhubaneswar 1, diploma in mechanical Bhubaneswar 1, as well as diploma in chemical where RITES Western Region inspection Mumbai, the post is only 1. And one thing is that graduate apprenticeship stipend per month is 14,000, where diploma holder stipend is for 12,000. And now come here the education qualification, where candidate should possess 4 years of B.Tech degree or engineering or 3 years of 3 years of diploma engineering from the recognized university or institute can only apply, and this must be recognized by UGC and AICTE or state government. Now, if we point out the most important thing, that is the eligibility criteria, that who can apply, what is the actual eligibility criteria for this post. That is, first of all, the candidates from all over India are applying for the above vacancies. However, preference will be given to candidates from the respective region for posting under the office in respective region. Now, candidates passes degree or diploma in or after 2017 only are eligible. The candidate should not have undergone apprenticeship. That means if you are pursuing your B.Tech or diploma, you are not applicable for this job. Now, if we pointing out the selection procedure, it is mainly you have to apply through the link which I will given in my description box. Just check it out, and after application, the shortlisted candidates are invited through the mail. So you guys, if you have no any mail IDs, then please create a proper mail ID, valid mail ID, and they will contact with you through the proper mail ID. So guys, the candidate can also apply online on the following address mentioned given below. I will given the total address, notification link on my description box, and then the registered interested candidate are required to apply through BOAT's web portal of www.mhrdnatsgovernment.in by finding establishment of RITES Limited under ID number, registration with Northern region, and click the apply button in the next page. After successful application, the message will be appear successfully applied for the training position. Based on the availability, you will be contracted by the establishment. And one thing is that shortlisted candidates are invited through the proper mail ID. They will contact you with your mail ID, and the shortlisted candidate will call for the personal interview. So here no written exam will be happened. And how to communicate with RITES, just follow the screenshot and follow my video till the end. So guys, hopefully this video will helpful to that type of person who are eagerly waiting for the government job or government related apprenticeship or training or any type of interest in the railway board. So guys, if you like this video, then hit the like button, and if this video will helpful to you, then share this video through your social network site, through your friends circle, and also your social network site. And if you like my videos, share this, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon just beside the subscription box, because when I will put any type of videos, you will be notified at that time. If you have any queries, just write in my comment section below. I will definitely try to clear all your doubts. So guys, keep watching this channel till the end. Take care. Goodbye.